Coconut oil comes from the nut of the coconut palm. The oil of the nut is used to make medicine. Some coconut oil products are referred to as virgin coconut oil. Studies reveal that coconut oil can be used to treat diabetics, heat diseases, and chronic fatigue. It can also be used to treat irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Coconut oil can be used to lose weight. It can sometimes be used on the skin as a moisturizer, and also for the treatment of eczema and other skin diseases. Coconut oil can be used to prevent hair breakage and hair loss. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can produce coconut oil at home. Materials needed are coconut fruits and lukewarm water. Grate your coconut into small pieces. Now pour some water into it and allow the water to cover the grated coconut. Allow it to stand for 24 hours. Sieve the water from the coconut. Make sure you sieve all the milk from the coconut. Now pour the juice into a pot and place the pot on fire. Allow the content to boil until the coconut oil starts to appear. The coconut oil have started appearing. Let's wait for all the water to dry up. As you can see, this is our coconut oil, though the quantity is very small because we use a small quantity of coconut. For you to be able to get large quantity of coconut oil, you will have to use a large amount of coconut. The coconut chaff can be grinded and also be added to cereal. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.